There is a feeling at Sheldon that I don't know you experience anywhere else. As a teacher here, having children who perhaps have gone elsewhere, but their parents have made other sacrifices in order to bring their children here because of the quality that they have here, I think that speaks volumes about the college and the staff and the relationships that we have with our children. All of us work together to get the best possible outcome for the children and the families that we have. So in terms of who inspires me, it's not one person, it's our team as a unit. Every single team member that we have in our early learning team inspires us individually each and every day to be the best that we can be. The team that I work with are such professionals. They have a child-centred focus continually that what they are doing in their rooms inspires me to be a better teacher. We like to always keep abreast of what professional development is available. This morning tea time we've had a short half-hour look at different types of apps and programs that we can use in our classrooms. We do just take opportunities when they arise. The flow of students from kindy all the way through to grade 12. It's really lovely to be able to go back and see those children and see that they've grown into wonderful human beings, and to know that you've had a part in that process is quite satisfying.